Running a mobile car detailing business can be challenging. You love bringing cars back to life. But your days are filled with endless marketing, customer calls, and chasing payments. What if you could switch gears and focus solely on what you do best? Detailing. Imagine a world where customers come to you and your schedule fills up while you're doing what you know best, detailing cars. Welcome to Panda Hub, the marketplace that drives a steady flow of clients right to your mobile detailing service. Creating your Panda Hub profile is like setting up a dating app profile, but for your car detailing business. Upload a profile picture, write a nice bio about yourself, showcase your skills, share before and after photos, and let customers in your area discover your exceptional detailing skills. It's all about making the right first impression. Panda Hub takes the wheel on marketing, payments, and customer service, so you can concentrate on detailing. Choose jobs that match your schedule and say goodbye to the days of waiting for the phone to ring. Joining is easy and free. Just download the app, upload your documents, and set up your profile to start attracting local customers. Your perfect detailing job is just a swipe away. Panda Hub, connecting you to a world of detailing opportunities. Sign up, set your profile, and get ready to shine.